my channel. It's me again, and it's me again, Leanne Merrmaid. Ayan. Guys, for today's video, we are gonna be making cucumber and spicy tuna sandwich. Of course, this is very affordable, very healthy, easy to make, and very tasty and yummy. Ayan. For sure, your family and friends, and for sure, ikaw, you will like this recipe kasi napaka-tasty nito. At the same time, very cheap, hindi sobrang mahal, gumastos napakalaki. At the same time, makakain tayo ng mga healthy, panibagong itatry na menu. If you haven't subscribed, I don't subscribe right now. So this is me, Leanne Merrmaid. Ayan, so every week I give a healthy recipe. So please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka when I have a new upload. Health is wealth, and this is what we only have, especially during this pandemic time. So I'm happy to share this with you, and without further ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients that we need. We have 1 tablespoon of malunggay or moringa flakes. We have mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons, half teaspoon of chili flakes for garnish, and 2 tablespoons of oil, pinch of salt, and we have like 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I like it to be a little sweet. I like being sweet. And of course our cucumber, chopped garlic, and onion. So there we have here our canned tuna. Any kind of canned tuna will do. So there, start na tayo. So, saute lang natin yung onion, and then we'll add chopped garlic. Then we'll add of course, our canned tuna. And then our moringa flakes. So, haluin lang natin. And then we'll add our mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Any mayonnaise or anumang brand will do. And then, yes, haluin lang ng haluin. Ayan. So, pag ganyan yung kulay niya, ayan. So, maganda kasi namimix na talaga yung mayonnaise dun sa ating tuna. And then, we'll wait for it in few minutes para mag-simmer. Tapos, dapat ganito na yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang nakaka-excite na. So, eto na guys. This is it. Our product. And then, of course, na-slice ko na yung cucumber. Ayan, okay na. So, eto, gagamit ako ng Japanese mayo. Pero kahit anong mayo, okay lang. It's just that favorite ko lang yun. Then, ayan na nga. So, para lang tayo nagpapalaman ng talagang sandwich or tinapay. So, lagyan lang natin sa middle. And then, okay. And then we'll add mayonnaise. Yan. Sarap. And then, oh, looks so tempting. Ayan. So there guys. Enjoy. Ayan, tara. Magpalaman pa tayo. Let's go. So, ayan, add tayo ng moringa flakes sa top ng ating sandwich as a garnish. Ayan, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda niya tignan. And then, next, mag-add din tayo ng chili flakes para may mas spicy pa siya. And also, mas maganda siya. Diba? Very tempting. So, yan. Ito na yung ating healthy cucumber and spicy tuna sandwich. Ayan. So, ito try na natin siya. Kainin natin siya. Actually, kanina yung ginagawa ko siya. So, gusto ko na siyang kainin. Pero, syempre, I have to wait. Patience is a virtue. So, ayan. Tikman na natin siya.